Hello, everyone. The video shows how to create a YiLuProxy accounts. Click Create an account. Enter your email address. Click Send code. Copy the verification code in your email. Paste it. Enter your password. Enter your password again.
The invitation code can be blank. Click Create account.
Click Confirm. Then enter your email and password. Click Sign in. Now you can see the YiLuProxy client interface. You can click Renew on the top left to recharge.
YiLuProxy supports Alipay and USDT, TRC20.
YiLuProxy has USA sharing and dedicated static IPs. You can click Order IP to buy a dedicated static IP. YiLuProxy also offers dynamic IPs from 200+ countries. Thank you for watching and subscribing.